Hi, my name is Nicklas Eiselt. I'm a PhD student at the DTU. I'm 29 years old and right now I'm at the OFC conference here in Anaheim and doing this interview. So I studied in Germany. I did my master degrees in electrical engineering and business administration, but with a major in optical communication and signal processing. After my master, my professor offered me the opportunity to do a PhD at the DTU, and which I found quite interesting because I wanted to go abroad after the PhD. And also DTU is quite well known in the area of optical communication. Yeah, therefore I grabbed this opportunity. I wrote an application to the DTU and luckily I got this position where I am now. I'm doing an industrial PhD, so my project is called Abacus project, which is an EU project shared between the DTU and ADFA Optical Networking, which is a company in Germany. And this project is about software-defined networking and signal processing and WDM PON systems for metro access connections. So we are actually 3 PhD students working on the same topic. So we have one who's doing the WDM PON systems or tunable lasers. I'm doing the signal processing, and then the third PhD student works on SDN and NFV. This shared project means that I spend half of the time at the DTU and half of the time in a company. And I think the part in the company is for a PhD student very important because you get to know people in the company, you build up your network, and you also see like how the company does the research and how the reality looks at the end. I decided to do my PhD at the DTU because the Metro Access Group is actually quite known or quite well known for their research in the area of short reach applications like CAP modulation or pixels, and so therefore I thought that this is really a good opportunity for me to do my PhD at the DTU. Alright, so my research topic is about signal processing at the physical layer. So in particular we are looking at transmission distances between data centers. So right now there's a tremendous growth of data centers or data center traffic because of cloud computing like social networking or Facebook or Twitter. What we are actually comparing or looking at is transmission distance of 100 km between 2 different data centers, and we are looking at different modulation formats, and we are comparing these and try to find the optimum solution for next generation of data centers. And in particular we are like comparing different algorithms, trying to understand the complexity, trying to find like the best solution. The work environment at the DTU is, I would say it's quite friendly. All my colleagues are very helpful, but on the other hand it's also very professional. So you're not the student anymore, but you're actually already seen as a very professional PhD. So my expectations to this PhD is that I get a deeper knowledge of all the communication or the area of optical communication, that I understand better what the problem is, how the things are working, which I think is you're not able to understand that when you don't do a PhD. Furthermore, I think that you can do a lot of good collaboration. You get a lot of contacts in the area or in the whole industry of optical communication, which may help you a lot after your PhD for your future career. I expect that, of course, I get the 3 letters at the end. I would say that I'm quite satisfied with my choice of doing the PhD. First of all, my PhD the project is working quite well. I made a lot of contacts so far in the community. I gained a lot of knowledge about all the components or about the area in which I'm working in, and so right now I'm actually at the OFC. I presented 2 of my papers or my latest research results at this kind of big community or big conference here in the US. Furthermore, I'm able to travel a lot during the PhD, which I think is very interesting. I'm able to get to know a lot of different people, to share the knowledge, to build up a network, which I think will help me a lot in my future career. I can recommend to do a PhD at the DTU because first of all you have the opportunity to do really great research, and you have the opportunities to travel to big conferences, to travel to different countries. It gives you a great opportunity to be abroad, to improve your English, for example. Furthermore, I can say that DTU lies in a very beautiful city, Copenhagen, a beautiful country. Copenhagen, the people are very friendly, and you make a lot of good experiences.